सेकंड जो रिएक्शन है कार्बन और उसके कंपाउंड्स की, वो है ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शंस। देखो चैप्टर केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड इक्वेशन में हमने ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शंस पढ़ी थी। ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन को हम सिंपली कह सकते हैं एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, है ना। जब भी किसी कंपाउंड में ऑक्सीजन ऐड होती है तो उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या बोलेंगे, ऑक्सीडेशन। तो आपने अभी भी जो कंबस्टन रिएक्शंस पढ़ी, देखो कंबस्टन रिएक्शन का कोई भी एग्जांपल ले लो, मैं मीथेन का एग्जांपल ले रहा हूं, CH4 प्लस O2, ये क्या बनाता है, CO2 प्लस H2O। तो ये जो आपका कार्बन था, इस कार्बन के पास पहले हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट थी, अब क्या आ गई यहाँ पे, ऑक्सीजन। तो यहां से हो गया रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एंड यहां पर क्या हो गया है, एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, हो गया ना। तो बताओ ये कौन सा प्रोसेस हुआ, ये एक ऑक्सीडेशन प्रोसेस हुआ। यहां पर मीथेन क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडाइज।
Okay friends, if you want to see the complete video, then please visit our website dronestudy.com. Please note the spelling carefully. Students, please give me few minutes to explain to you why this site is so amazing. Students, this site is around 1 year old, and in this 1 year you can see we have around 27,000 Facebook likes, which is an amazing thing, students. What do we provide? We provide study material from standard 8 to 12th right now. We are trying to expand. We also provide study materials for competitive exams, students. We provide great educational videos for different classes, different subjects, by reading which your complete concept of the chapter will be cleared. And these videos have been made by all IITians, teachers who have taught in best institutes of Kota like Bansal classes and all. We also provide solutions to NCERT books and many other textbooks. On our website you can find tests and practice sessions using which you can assess how good you are in any particular chapter. Students, using our website, many students have become toppers in their schools, in their exams. They have got great marks. And this is not what I am saying, this is what our users are saying, that this site is so useful for them for their studies. You can go and check out all this in our testimonial sections and also at some other places which I will tell you. Now students, let me tell you something in more detail. Let's talk about these videos. Students, if you scroll down, you will see the list of classes and subjects and different chapters associated with that. The list will keep going on, and we are trying to make it even more explicit and bigger. Let me take you through class 10 science, say chemical reaction. This is a chapter, students. If you click here, it will take you to this page. So students, you can see this chapter has been covered in 5 videos. And students, these 5 videos are not small videos. Each video is around half an hour to 1 hour. What it means, students, that the entire chapter has been covered in great detail. If you see these videos, nothing will be left. Your entire concept will be completely clear. And students, below that you can see the comment of the students who have seen these videos. So good, very nice. Sir, your teaching is outstanding, bang on. You know, sir, you are outstanding. You know, whenever you click any chapter, say, you know, you click acid and bases, there also you'll find a similar thing, and you can read the comments. They will be amazing. Students have claimed that they have done great in their exams using this website. Now let me tell you some other interesting features. Maybe sometimes you may not like to see the entire chapter because you know some of the parts but not the other. So we have written here in which video what we have covered, so you can decide what you want to see. And even inside a video, say in video 1 we have covered 3-4 topics, and you want to see, say, only ions, you know, the rest of the things are known to you. So there's an amazing feature called index here. If you click here, it expands, and all the topics which has been covered are listed here. Now if you click on ions here, what will happen? Let me first play the video. If you click ions, the video has jumped to a later place where ions has been covered, students. Isn't it amazing, right? Then students, we also provide you with revision notes of the chapter notes, which you can find on clicking on these links, animations related to this chapter, which will you know, make your studies very interesting, solution of NCERT books and many other important questions. You can also ask your doubt, students. You can also ask your doubt. If you click on this button, you'll be taken to this doubt forum where you can ask your doubts, and your doubts will be answered within a few hours. Okay, students? Now students, we also have a mobile app. If you click here, this page, this is our mobile app. You can search it on Play Store by the name of Drone Study. It's also 7-8 months old, but people have loved this. It has a rating of 4.3, which you will know it's amazing. And if you read the reviews, you will mind blown. See, awesome, useful, respected. This is a great app for study. All the videos are very helpful. Okay, you can see more reviews here. Pure awesomeness. Awesome, must-have app. Please download it. So students, you can go and enjoy our app as well. So students, I am sure that you must be finding this educational site exciting. So you would like to know who is the person behind it. You can click this button to know about our director. This is a news regarding our website that has been published. This is a person behind all this. He is Mr. Nitin Agrawal. He is BTech from IIT Madras, students. He has also taught physics in Bansal and Vibrant Classes Kota, which are one of the best coaching institutes in the country. He's a scientist. He has done a lot of inventions. He has written books on physics. So students, he is the person behind all this. So you can understand that the quality of all the material which you'll get on this website is just phenomenal. What he's trying is that currently the state of education in the country is not that good. So he's trying that affordable education should be available to all, and if possible even free. So students, please find out time to visit our website and do send us your feedbacks.